Last lesson we used AI to tame the ticket queue. Now we put it to work on the hard part, actually diagnosing endpoint problems. Enrollment failures, devices that won't sync, compliance going red, apps that won't install, cryptic hex error codes. We'll build a repeatable loop with AI as your thinking partner. And as always, AI gives hypotheses, not gospel. You verify everything. Let's go. The whole lesson hangs on one loop. First, gather signal, the error codes, the logs, the device's actual state. Second, feed that structured context to the AI. Third, ask for ranked hypotheses and the single next diagnostic step, not a magic fix. Fourth, validate against the portal and Microsoft Learn. Round and round until it's solved. AI speeds the loop up, but you are the one closing the case. AI is only as good as the context you give it, so step 1 is collecting real evidence. Grab the exact error code. Open Event Viewer and find the Device Management Diagnostics log. For app and script failures, the IntuneManagementExtension log is your goldmine. And note the device's compliance and sync state in Intune. The moment a vague "it won't enroll" becomes an error code plus log lines, it's a solvable problem. Now hand the AI the facts and ask the right question. Notice this prompt, it states the platform, the error, and the environment, then asks for 4 ranked causes, the one thing to check for each, and the first step. The killer line is the last one, note any cause you are unsure about. That nudges the model to flag its own uncertainty instead of bluffing. Specific context in, ranked investigation plan out. For anything tenant-specific, Copilot in Intune beats a public chatbot hands down, because it reads your real data. Open the affected device, open the Copilot pane, and ask in plain English why it's non-compliant and which policy is failing, or when it last checked in. The answer is grounded in your actual tenant, not internet guesswork. This is how you confirm device state fast. Here are the usual suspects. Enrollment failures often come down to licensing, auto-enrollment scope, device limits, or hybrid join trust. Sync stalls are sneaky, the device just hasn't talked to Intune, so policies look unapplied because nothing's run yet. Compliance going red is usually one setting, BitLocker, Defender, OS version, and that can cascade into a conditional access lockout. And app failures almost always have their real reason buried in the IME log. AI helps you read all of these faster. This is the non-negotiable slide. AI gives you hypotheses, not gospel. It will confidently tell you what an error code means, and sometimes that meaning is pure fiction. So validate every code and claim against official Microsoft Learn docs, and confirm the real state in the portal and the logs before you touch anything. Cross-check the IME log against what the AI told you. And strip out secrets and user PII before pasting into any public model. The AI narrows the search, the evidence closes the case. A quick but important word on security lockouts. When BitLocker or conditional access is involved, slow down. AI is genuinely useful for tracing the policy chain and explaining which control is blocking access. But you never bypass a security control on a hunch from a chatbot. If access or encryption keys are on the line, follow your escalation process and loop in the right people. AI informs the decision, it doesn't make it for you. Let's recap. The loop is gather signal, feed structured context to AI, get ranked hypotheses and a next step, then validate. The IME log and event viewer are where your signal lives, and Copilot in Intune reads your real device state. AI suggests, but the portal and the docs confirm. Your task, pick a real or simulated issue, collect the error code and a log excerpt, prompt for ranked hypotheses, then prove the top one in the portal or on Microsoft Learn. Write down which was right and how you confirmed it. Next lesson, we make AI write our PowerShell.